There are many ways to make money online, and the best option for you will depend on your skills and interests. Here are a few ideas to get you started. 1. Freelancing. You can offer your services as a freelancer in areas such as writing, graphic design, web development, or social media management. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to find freelance work. 2. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can earn money by tutoring students online. Websites like Chegg and TutorMe are popular platforms for online tutoring. 3. Selling products online. You can sell products through your own website or through online marketplaces like Amazon and Etsy. 4. Online surveys. You can earn money by taking online surveys through websites like Swagbucks and 𝐫𝐤. 5. YouTube or TikTok creator. You can create and monetize YouTube or TikTok videos by partnering with brands and earning through ads and sponsorships. Keep in mind that earning $300 per month may require consistent effort and may not happen immediately, but with patience and dedication, you can achieve your goal.